Alright, let's dive into paragraph organization. Now, when we talk about organizing paragraphs, we're essentially talking about how we arrange our ideas in writing. Organizing a paragraph effectively is what makes the content clear and easy to follow for your reader. There are several different patterns of organization, and each one serves a specific purpose, depending on what you're trying to achieve.
Now on to comparison and contrast. This is exactly what it sounds like. You're either comparing two things, showing their similarities, or contrasting them, highlighting their differences. For example, if you're writing about tomatoes, you might compare homegrown tomatoes to store-bought ones. Homegrown tomatoes may be fresher and tastier because they're picked at peak ripeness, while store-bought tomatoes, picked early for transport, might not have the same flavor. This pattern works well when you want to explore the pros and cons of two ideas, products, or situations. This paragraph illustrates the comparison/contrast pattern by examining both similarities and differences between supermarket tomatoes and homegrown tomatoes. The topic sentence sets up the comparison by stating that while both types of tomatoes are common in households, there are key differences between them. Comparison. Similarities: both supermarket and homegrown tomatoes are rich in nutrients and can be used in a variety of dishes. This establishes a shared characteristic between the two, highlighting their versatility and nutritional value. Contrast. Differences. The paragraph contrasts the two types by discussing how supermarket tomatoes are typically picked before ripening, leading to a less flavorful taste. In contrast, homegrown tomatoes are harvested at peak ripeness, offering a sweeter and more robust flavor. Concluding sentence. The paragraph wraps up by noting that although both types of tomatoes serve the same purpose in recipes, many people prefer the freshness of homegrown tomatoes, emphasizing the superiority of their flavor. This structure effectively compares the shared traits of both types of tomatoes while contrasting their key differences, focusing on taste and freshness, which influence people's preferences.